Hello and welcome to our another video of improvement. In today's video, I'm gonna tell you how you can use ChatGPT effectively. At the same time, I'm gonna show you in my video how did I practice.
I'm asking your name.
Got it. I'm called ChatGPT, and I'm here to assist you whenever you need. If there's anything else you'd like to know, just let me know.
Okay, because I can hear the girl voice. So you are female ChatGPT, right?
I can see how it might sound that way. I'm actually just an AI, so I don't have a gender, but I'm here to help in whatever way works best for you. If you have any other questions, just let me
Yesterday, when I was getting through some sort of questions, so one of my learners, he asked me this question, how can I practice with ChatGPT? So I thought that let me record a video where I will be practicing with ChatGPT and I will be showing to everyone. And when I asked the first question to ChatGPT, it was really interesting and I got really an amazing response. So in today's video, I'm going to tell you what is the best way to practice with ChatGPT. Yes. So when you are practicing with ChatGPT, so this is the first thing which you need to do. Firstly, you just need to tell the ChatGPT that your level is beginner. If you are a beginner, so try to tell the ChatGPT that my level is beginner. So make sure that you're going to use simple sentences. Yes. When you're going to speak, use simple sentences. Something like that. You can give this instruction to ChatGPT. So accordingly, ChatGPT is gonna talk to you.
let me know how I can help you today.
Actually, I'm a beginner and my English is not good, so I would like to practice with you.
Absolutely, I'd be happy to help you practice. We can chat about anything you like, and I'll support you along the way. Feel free to start with any topic or any questions you have.
Before beginning the conversation, I would like to tell you one thing. As I'm a beginner, so please use very simple sentences, and later on, you just need to provide me a feedback about my speaking on the basis of my fluency, my pronunciation, my grammar, and my vocabulary.
Of course, that sounds perfect. I'll keep things simple and clear, and I'll give you feedback on your fluency, pronunciation, grammar, and vocabulary as we go. Whenever you're ready, we can start.
As I gave this instruction to ChatGPT that you just need to ask me some simple questions, something like that, and I'm a beginner, something like that. At the same time, I gave this instruction to ChatGPT that you have to provide me the feedback as well on the basis of my pronunciation, my grammar, my vocabulary, and so on. So now, here we go.
Absolutely. Let's try this. Can you tell me about a skill or hobby you'd like to learn in the future and why it interests you? Feel free to share your thoughts.
Currently, I'm just trying to develop my communication skills, as I have seen a lot of people, those who are making videos on YouTube. So this is something that fascinated me a lot, because when they speak, they use the proper tone, rhythm, pitch, pronunciation, and each and everything. So nowadays, I'm just trying to enhance my communication skills by talking to ChatGPT. Apart from that, wherever or whenever I'm getting this kind of opportunity to talk to some sort of native speakers, I do not miss out on this incredible deal. Yes.
That's fantastic. You're definitely on the right track, and it's great that you're taking every opportunity to practice and improve. Your explanation was really clear, and your enthusiasm definitely comes through. Keep it up, and you'll see a lot of progress.
Can you please provide me the feedback about this?
Of course, overall, your pronunciation was clear and your flow was natural. You did a great job expressing your thoughts, and your enthusiasm really shone through. Just keep focusing on practicing, and you'll continue to get more comfortable and confident. Great job so far.
So overall, if I'm asking, you have to provide me the feedback about my fluency and pronunciation. Can you please provide me the score out of 10?
Absolutely. Based on what I've heard, I'd give you around an 8 out of 10. Your fluency is really good and your pronunciation is clear. There might be a few minor pauses here and there and some slight adjustments to natural phrasing, but overall, you're doing really well. Keep practicing and you'll definitely keep improving.
After speaking, ChatGPT provided me the feedback on the basis of my pronunciation, my grammar, my vocabulary, and some other thing. So same thing you need to do. You can ask ChatGPT how's my English level, and you can ask ChatGPT that could you please provide me the score out of 10.
A variety of words and express your ideas clearly. There are some nice descriptive terms, and your explanations are well-rounded. With continued practice, you'll expand your vocabulary even more. Overall, you're doing really well with it.
And now can you please tell me about how was my coherence of speaking?
Your coherence is quite strong as well. You organized your thoughts logically and your ideas flowed smoothly from one to the next. You also provided clear explanations and examples, which helped keep everything connected. With more practice, you'll get even more fluid and natural, but you're already doing really well in terms of coherence.
Okay, so can you please provide me the score out of 10 in my vocabulary and coherency?
For your vocabulary, I'd give you around an 8 out of 10 since you use a good range of words and express yourself well. For coherence, I'd also say around an 8 out of 10 because your ideas are well structured and easy to follow. Overall, you're doing really well, and with continued practice, you'll keep improving even more.
Thank you so much for this authentic feedback, and I really appreciate this thing that you have provided me this feedback.
You're very welcome. I'm glad I could help, and it's been really fun chatting with you. If you
So ChatGPT is gonna provide you the score. So you'll be able to understand where you are enhancing and what is something that you need to improve on. Okay. So these are some sort of things that I just wanted to include in today's video.
ever need more practice or feedback, just let me know. Keep up the great work.
Yes, thank you so much for having this great confabulation. See you next time, and thank you so much for this amazing feedback that you have provided me. And the way you have given me the feedback, I really appreciate it.
You're very welcome. I'm glad I could help, and it was a pleasure chatting with you. Definitely reach out anytime you'd like more practice or feedback. Have a great one, and I look forward to our next conversation.
Okay, thank you. Have a great day.
You too, take care, and talk to you soon. Bye for now.
Yes.
I personally feel that this is really a great way to practice with ChatGPT because ChatGPT is gonna provide you the good feedback on the basis of your pronunciation, your grammar, your vocabulary, at each and everything. At the same time, there will be no any kind of judgment. And I was asking really good questions. Some questions was really amazing, and I would say that I really enjoyed the conversation with ChatGPT, and you can also enjoy because the first question that I asked your voice. Sounding like a girl, are you a female ChatGPT or something? So in order to make your conversation quite interesting and all, you can give command to ChatGPT accordingly. In the same way, ChatGPT is gonna talk to you. So I think this little information is gonna help you out. So till then, keep learning and keep enhancing yourself. Most of the people, they were asking me how can I practice with ChatGPT. So I thought that this is the best way to explain them. So finally I did that. So till then, keep learning and keep enhancing yourself. See ya, take care.